New for 2018 is an all-new Sky One touch top that is intended to remain solidly connected to the Wrangler consistently. A full-length sliding canvas opening reveals the whole inside, and the two back window segments can be expelled independently. We have an inclination this will be a prominent alternative on the new Wrangler. The inside of the 2018 release is more pleasant than any Wrangler that has preceded. The car world has gone computerized, and the Wrangler has changed with the circumstances. The Measure Bunch has either a little 3.5-inch LCD unit or a discretionary 7-inch full shading show that can demonstrate the present edge at which the vehicle sits, convenient when pointed up or down a mountain. An infotainment screen as substantial as 8.4 inches overwhelms the middle stack. Literally 5 and 7-inch screens come standard. Chrysler's Uconnect framework is anything but difficult to use, with speedy touchscreen interface and copy catches, and switches for atmosphere and sound frameworks. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are accessible, as is 4G LTE Wi-Fi Hotspot availability. What's more, don't stress, snatch handles in abundance have been coordinated inside, so that there's something strong to clutch, notwithstanding when the entryways have been expelled. At the point when the 2018 Wrangler goes on special ahead of schedule 1 year from now, the standard motor will be a 3.6-liter V6 delivering 285 pull and 260 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission comes standard, and an 8-speed programmed will be discretionary. Stop/begin innovation helps the 2018 Wrangler Unlimited V6 accomplish 18 miles for each gallon in the city, 23 on the thruway, and 20 consolidated. Manual transmission models drop 1 miles per gallon city and combined. This 3.6-liter V6 motor and 8-speed auto are similar ones utilized as a part of the Jeep Grand Cherokee and Ram 1500. As in those applications, quickening is superbly satisfactory, and there's next to no chasing and pecking as the gearbox picks the best possible proportion. There's simply enough energy to turn the back tires from a standing begin, yet the Wrangler is absolutely no dragster. The 6-speed manual is fine, with a sensible grip pedal that is not very hard or long to make utilizing it a torment. Or 3.0-liter diesel V6 will land for the 2019 model year, creating 260 HP and 442 lb-ft. We'd love to disclose to you more about it, however we'll need to sit tight for Jeep to complete advancement and let us slide in the driver's seat. Given the amount we like the oil burner in the Grand Cherokee and Ram Eco Diesel, we anticipate that great things will oblige a few $1,000 upcharge.